Alright guys, I'm going to do another crock pot meal. Some of the stuff I had around. I went to the market, got some stuff today. I got some ground chuck. I got some chicken I'm going to cut up. So I'm going to probably saute this in the pan. Saute that chicken together with this. Get that going. What I got, I'm going to cut up some carrots. Some celery. Some radishes. Red potatoes, onions. I got some red cabbage. I might not use all that. I'm going to cut it up into sections and throw it all in the crock pot. Green peppers. Broccoli. And cauliflower. It's going to go in there. And I got some garlic and some hot peppers. And I want to use for the sauces, I got some of this ragu. I'll dump that in there. Probably have to add some water. And some chickpeas and some black peas. Some chickpeas and some black beans. That's what the crock pot meal is going to be made out of. I'll try to bring you guys along. I'll get you some shots as I throw it together. And just slap it together. And we'll let it cook in the crock pot. Try to give you some shots as I go. How Real Working Men Cook series. Alright guys, I got the stuff all prepped. I got the hamburger. The chicken all cut up. I'm going to throw that inside that pan there. And get the hamburger all rendered down and probably, you know, cook up that meat a little bit. And I got my crock pot over there. I got myself some carrots cut up. Cauliflower. Broccoli. Black beans. Chickpeas. I got some red potatoes. I got a couple of things of green pepper, celery, and also some radishes. I got myself some red cabbage cut up small, a couple of onions, garlic, and hot peppers. And you know what I'm going to use for the sauces, I'll use some of that. I'll probably have to add some water, but I'm going to use that. I really should have got some canned stewed tomatoes, but I didn't pick them up when I was at the market. So we'll get rocking and rolling on this hamburger and this meat, and then we'll put it all in there and give it the chooch. Now, if I don't use all this stuff, I could use it on my salad. So I'll put as much as I can in there. We'll see if it all fits. Throw the hamburger in there. Get that rocking and rolling. That's 80-20 chuck right there. Get that rendered down, and then we'll throw I might throw some of the meat in there, the chicken, kind of brown it up a little bit. Alright guys, I got this hamburger all done. We'll start building the meal. I got all the stuff laid out here. I'll tell you as I put it in. It's all going in the pot, Mama. Alright guys, it's all going in the pot. Juice and all. Smell the goodness. Alright, next thing we'll do is we'll put the chicken in. Carrots. And put the stuff that takes longer to cook on the bottom, obviously. Cabbage. I think I'm going to have enough room. Nope, not going to have enough room, Mama. It's plan B. It's not going to all fit inside the crock pot, so I got this other pot here I'm going to use. It's got a nice thick base on it, so we're going to put it all in this thing. Plan B, Mama. Plan B. Alright. Take all the stuff and put it right in there. Plain beef. When in doubt, change it out. Next thing I'll put in there would be my cauliflower, broccoli, chickpeas, potatoes, onions, green pepper, celery, and radishes. And the black beans. Garlic and hot peppers. We'll stir that up. I'm going to put a little sauce in there. Yum! What I'll do is I'll put some water in this and rinse this container out, cold water. I was kind of hoping it all fit in a crock pot, but I guess my eyes were bigger than my brain. I just want to cover it with water. Oh yeah, this is going to be a nice... Oh yeah! Yum! Oh yeah, that's going to be yummy. Put some seasoning in there and we'll let it rock and roll. Some pepper. We'll let it cook till the carrots are done. Pink salt. I'm gonna put some booty rub in there. Maybe a little bit of herbs. Oregano. That's it. We'll cover it and let it go. Stir it every so often. Let it go for a while. We'll let it go for a while and let it stir it every so often. You can see it's got a nice thick base on it, so it's not going to burn it. Be my meals for a while. Our Real Workingman Cook series. Yeah, it's about 4 o'clock, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of get it up to it starts boiling, and I'll put it on a low chooch and just let it low and slow. Low and slow. We don't want to burn nothing. Yum! Smell the goodness. Yeah, a little bit longer. The carrots aren't done yet. Smell the goodness. You can see it's a nice pot, nice thick base, so it didn't burn nothing. Let it chooch. I'll call it good right there. Let it sit for a while and I'll get a plate together. Smell the goodness! Smell the goodness. It's a nice hearty soup. Very good, healthy. Very good. Chickpeas and hamburg and carrots. Yum. Cauliflower, carrots. Yum. Alright guys, you know where I'm going with this plate. Oh yeah. How a real working man cook. I got a whole bunch here in the pot. Be meals for a while for me.